my profile. Well, today we have my profile about me. By day, I'm a regular guy, and by night, a superhero. How exciting is that? Just joking. I'm a regular guy all the time. Good job, close to my family. Just bought my own flat with a cat or a duck. Okay, well, pronounce after me. Let's continue. Actually, my cat thinks I'm a hero because I saved her from the street. I'm a talkative person, and I believe communication is the most important thing in a relationship. Now it's time to repeat it. Well, now tell me, who is your favorite superhero? Choose one and write in the comments who is your favorite. Well, now let's talk about likes and dislikes. I love pizza if it's Italian, wine if it's white, and football if it's the workout. I read a lot, especially through life stories, but most of my books live on my phone. Well, now practice after me. Well, now hobbies. I love to travel. I'm always planning my next trip. I prefer an active holiday like hiking, skiing, or water sports, and I get bored lying on the beach. Well, repeat after me. I post a lot of photos on Instagram as I'm a good photographer, but I really love to share the holiday with someone. Maybe you'll take the photos on the next trip. Well, it's your time. Okay, well, remember that the idea is that you write your personal profile. You write your name, and remember to use good punctuation and emojis. Well, please write your personal profile in the comments. This is a good idea. Well, so see you the next time. Have a wonderful day.